All right. Hey everybody. I am going to try a DIY hand mask with all the hand washing and hand sanitizer. My hands are getting a little extra dry. I don't know if you can see that, but like skin's just not flexing very nicely. Another thing that I'm doing, they say you hydrate from the inside. I am enjoying a caffeine-free chamomile lavender tea since I'm going to give my hands like a spa day, if you will. And then under here, under this lid, I have some oatmeal that was brewed with chamomile tea also because that's supposed to be really good for your skin. And I'm going to add to it some honey, oil. This is olive oil. You could also use coconut oil. The oats that I used here they're not the instant oats. Steel cut oats, I guess they're called. So they're not as smooth and creamy looking as the instant. Various recipes I researched, they recommend putting this on your hands for like 10 to 15 minutes. Let's set this for 15 minutes. Okay, let's put this stuff on the hands. Don't do this when it's scalding hot. This is still very warm, but not uncomfortable. Put some of that slurry on. Let's start the timer. Five, four, three, two, one. Yay, we're done. Thankfully, my watch is waterproof, so I can touch it with my gross hands. All right, so let's scrape off the oatmeal slurry because I don't want to clog my drain. I'm going to go wash these hands, and I'll be right back to show you how these guys are looking. All right, we are back. So this is just washed hands without any added moisture on top. It's looking a little bit clearer to me. I don't know if it picks up on camera, but I feel like I actually have like micro abrasions from the hand washing I had. I thought I was developing a straight up rash, but I think I literally have tiny cracks in my skin from the hand washing. So that's not going to go away from just a hand mask, unfortunately. I'm just going to have to baby my hands a little more, I guess. Maybe try this mask maybe on a daily or every other day basis to try and help them out a little bit. But anyway, so I just gently washed, not super scrubby or anything, to get any residue from the mask off. And I'm going to apply just some good lotion. Nice thick cream. And so I got my lotion. Slather that on. So now we're all nice and lubricated. So there is my little DIY hand mask that I tried out there. I guess it's inconclusive how much it's helping because washing my hands and taking a close-up look, it looks like these are actually, like I said, micro dermabrasions or micro cracks. They look like little lines. They don't look like just little bumps. Some of them look like bumps, but I think I literally might be having my skin cracking at this point. Anyway, I hope you were entertained and or learned something. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, comment. All those things help my channel out. And I hope to see you at the next video. Bye. I don't know how to say goodbye with my hands. Bye.